Sensibility and practicality define the 2018 Dodge Durango. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, a power rear cargo door, remote keyless entry, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.